What happens to your app when 10 times the users show up at once? If the answer is it slows down, you have an elasticity problem, and it's costing you more than you think. Cloud elasticity is your infrastructure's ability to automatically scale up when demand spikes and scale back down the moment it drops. No engineer pulling levers, no overnight panic, just automatic. Think about it this way. An e-commerce site on a regular Tuesday handles traffic just fine. Then Black Friday arrives. Millions of shoppers pour in, and instead of crashing, the cloud quietly spins up more servers in seconds. As traffic fades by midnight, those extra servers disappear, and the bill drops right along with them. That's the real win for businesses. You stop paying for capacity you don't need. You stop losing customers to downtime you could have prevented. Your team focuses on building, not firefighting. Want the full breakdown, including how AWS, Azure, and GCP handle this differently? It's all in the guide, link below, and if this kind of breakdown is useful, subscribe.